Hi everyone. Today's topic is careers in chemical engineering. We are going to see about the chemical engineering careers which you can choose after completing the chemical engineering degree. So I'm a chemical engineer. So we solve problems you don't know you have in ways you can't understand. So chemical engineers work with groundbreaking technologies to enhance the quality of people's lives in areas such as environmental protection, the management of resources, and controlling health and safety. So, chemical engineering is one of the emerging careers that deal with designing and supervision of chemical reactions in an industry for the purpose of energy production or human development. So these are some of the chemical engineering jobs which you can join after completing the chemical engineering degree. So some of the titles are design engineer, development engineer, environmental engineer, production engineer, or you can go for as quality control engineer. So see, these are some of the job titles. So the major responsibility of the chemical engineers is to apply the principles of physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology to solve the problems that involve the production or use of chemicals, drugs, food, and many other products. So the different industries which we can join as a chemical engineer, or first one is biotechnology and pharmaceutical industry. So the main role of chemical engineers is to design and troubleshoot the processes for the production of chemicals, fuels, foods, pharmaceuticals, and biologicals. So these chemical engineers are employed by large scale manufacturing plants to maximize productivity and product quality while minimizing costs. So chemical engineers are also involved in all the various stages of pharmaceutical product development. They are responsible for ensuring the large scale production, packaging, and delivery of pharmaceutical goods, especially medicines, which should be done correctly. So this is the role of chemical engineers in biotechnology and pharmaceutical industries. Next industry is environmental industry. So in environmental industry, the chemical engineers develop advanced technologies, monitoring devices, modeling techniques, and operating strategies that reduce the volume and toxicity of pollutants which are allowed to enter the air, water, and soil. So significantly, chemical engineers reduce the negative environmental effect of industrial facilities, the power plants, and transportation vehicles. So in this way, they protect the environment also. The next industry in which the chemical engineers can join is soaps and detergent industry. So in this industry, the chemical engineers design and set up equipment to process raw materials such as fat and sodium hydroxide into soap. They calculate equipment specifications such as how much should be a mixer volume, and also they design the manufacturing process. Next industry is food industry. So in food industry, which is a very important industry, the chemical engineers contribute to the food industry by fulfilling our demands, and they invent techniques which will enhance the quality of food and shelf life of the food. And also they come up with technologies that can protect us against foodborne diseases. Next industry, the major industry for chemical engineers is petroleum industry. So in this petroleum industry, the chemical engineers are the critical resource to the oil and gas industry. So they will ensure petroleum and oil materials should go directly into the gas tanks, and the correct chemicals should be used to get crude oil into usable form. Next industry is energy industry. So in this energy industry, the chemical engineers will meet the challenges associated with all types of energy production. So chemical engineers are involved with developing technologies to convert renewable biomaterials. So the renewable resources like solar energy, wind energy, they convert these energies into electricity and transportation fuels. And also they will deal with the non-renewable fossil fuels also. Next industry is electronics industry. Chemical engineers also play an important role in electronics industry in the invention of semiconductor chips. So these scientists are vital in the ongoing development of advanced materials and manufacturing process required to produce the chips. So in this way, chemical engineers can play different roles in different industries and help in the development of many industries. So how chemical engineers can work? Where are the different places they can work? So they can work in manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, design and construction, petrochemicals, food processing, specialty chemicals, microelectronics, electronic advanced materials, polymers, biotechnology, environmental health and safety industries. So these are some of the industries where chemical engineers can join and settle in their life after completing the chemical engineering degree. So this is the today's topic. So you can go through this video for the guidance of jobs after completing the chemical engineering degree. So thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Please like, share and comment my videos. And please click the bell button to get more notifications about my new videos. Thank you.